We start with a pre-show countdown video to make the attendees feel welcome. In this case, we include 100 years of imagining robots as a way to emphasize how amazing the upcoming technology really is. Then, we kick off with a quick introduction of the top 3 innovative suppliers. We want each attendee to know that they're not alone, so we put up a virtual version of name badges. And then we introduce our panel, and they lay out the present and future situation and trends. Then we bring in the first innovative vendor, and the panel opens with questions that they and the audience want answered. And then off he goes. And it's not just slides. In this case, he's doing a live demo to train the robot to do a complete task. When he's done, the panel returns to interrogate and clarify. And then we bring in the next speaker. And he has some cool video that shows how his robot forklift processes its camera images. And now the panel is back, interrogate, clarify, and now the final innovative supplier. Again, lots of video. Here's a demonstration that shows how continuous improvement will be with software and not hardware swap outs. And then we're back to panel and a full group discussion to end the show.